Let me show you how we can bring an image to the front in Canva. So here's my image and now it's behind two other images. There are several ways of reordering your objects. You can right-click on the image, search for layer, and there will be option to bring forward or bring all the way to the front. Click on that and here it is. Now we bring this image to the front. Alternatively, we can select the image and click position at the top. You should see your layers here on the left. And from here you can just drag the layer up to be in front of other layers. Now it's at the very top, so it will be in front of everything. You can also drag in the opposite direction, make it behind other objects. And that's actually the method I recommend. Just click on the object and select position to see the layer panel on the left, and then drag your objects up and down in the layer panel. You can still open the secondary menu and send something all the way to the back at the bottom or all the way to the top. I hope this was helpful and I will see you in the next one.